In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find workers' email address using company domain name. For instance, I have here this IBM company and I wish to get emails of some of the executives or leads from this company. To do this is pretty simple. Just go ahead and log into your hunter.io official website. This is an email finder website. And then from dashboard here, look for this option called Finder. Now here you can see we can search for contacts or leads using domain. Here I'll just enter the domain name. So I'll just write ibm.com like this and then tap on it. And then here it is. I'll tap on this and it will go ahead and display the results of people working in this company plus their emails here and their names. As you can see, we have them all listed here. From here now, you can go ahead and tap on any if you are looking for the contact or the email address for Vice President of Cloud Service. Now you can just go ahead and click on reveal here to see or to display this email for this account. You can filter this either by people. If you're only interested in decision makers, you can also choose decision makers. And here you'll see key decision makers in this company. You can now find their emails with a lot of ease. So that's how you can search for email or contacts using the website domain name of the company. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.